Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix a problem was detected with the TrueDepth camera Face ID has been disabled. If you're using an iPhone and you're having this type of issue that the problem was detected with the TrueDepth camera Face ID has been disabled, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you just have to open up your settings, and here you have to make sure that there is no any software update available, or if you have any update, so you must have to try to download and install update over your phone. So sometime it might be that there's any software update pending, so your phone may be in more this type issues, so you must have to try to update your software. And once you have updated, you have to retry, or if you're still having the same issues, so now what you have to do, you have to make sure that your camera or your this dynamic island or this icon is cleaned, or there is no any dirt or dust in it. So you must have to try to clean it with a smooth cloth, and once you have cleaned, you have to try again. Or if you're still having the same issue, so now what you have to do, you just have to open up your settings. In settings, this time you have to go ahead to your screen time, and then you have to move to content and privacy restrictions, and you have to disable all of these restrictions, because sometimes it might be that there is any restriction enabled, so you cannot use camera or something like that. So you must have to disable these restrictions. Once you have disabled, you have to try again. Or if you are still having the same issue, so now what you have to do, you have to try to reset all of your settings. So go ahead to your general, then scroll down and go for transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset all settings, and you have to enter your passcode to reset your setting. Once you have entered your passcode, your phone will restart and your all setting will be reset. It will not delete any data, so you have to don't worry. So you can either try this, or it will automatically reset all your settings to default if you have enabled or disabled any settings. So it will fix that. Or if you don't want to reset your settings, you have to try to force restart your phone. So now what you have to do, you just have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your screen go fully black. So let's try this. Quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your screen goes fully black. It might take a while, so you must have to wait for it. On black screen, you have to wait for Apple logo. Then release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. It will fix if your phone have any problem or any loading problems. It will fix that. So I have after this, you can easily use your Face ID, or your Face ID has been disabled. It will enable after this step. So that's how you can easily fix the problem as detected with the TrueDepth camera. Face ID has been disabled on any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.